Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to someone's note in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Here in the top section of your screen, you can see all of the notes that were added by your friends. Now click on the one that you want to reply to. Here, type in a message. Now you can send the message by clicking on the blue arrow. And that is how you can reply to someone's note in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.